Hey guys, Dr. Ross here with Inver Chiropractic, and I just want to give you guys a few tips of things that you can do at home if you've been in a car accident and are especially experiencing neck pain, whiplash type symptoms. So the number one thing that you can do is put ice on your neck and shoulder. So barring any big injuries, having to go to the hospitals for emergency type situations, the number one thing you're going to want to do is ice, because when we have these fresh injuries that arise, we're going to get inflammation from tearing of the muscles and the swelling that comes in there. So we want to put ice on. Not only is that going to help with the inflammation, it's going to help kill the pain too. And the best way to do that is 20 minutes on and 20 minutes off. So make sure you're taking that break of 20 minutes off, and then when you have the ice pack off for that 20 minutes, throw it in the freezer, and then you can repeat that process as much as you want. It's hard to over ice when you're taking that 20-minute break in between. That's going to help not only in the short term, but help the recovery in the long term. Then another one in the short term too, depending on how the pain feels, is there's a couple different exercises and stretches that you can do at home. And the first one is just a simple chin tuck. And I'm going to show it just being flat up against the wall. And you're going to put your shoulders down and back, pinching your shoulder blades together and putting your head up on the wall. And what you're going to want to do is take your chin and push it straight into the wall. So you want to tuck it straight back, looking straight ahead. So you want it to look like this. And repeat. It's very simple, but very effective. And you can do that, hold that for 3 to 5 seconds on each rep, and you can repeat that, 10 to 12 times, and you can do that multiple times per day. Another simple but effective stretch is just side bends, forward bends, and backward bends. So what we're gonna do is if you're sitting, you can sit on your hand, but you wanna keep your shoulder down, and you're gonna slowly pull your head to one side, and you don't want to overstretch. So if you start to get real intense pain, you're going too far. And again, just hold this for 5 to 10 seconds, and then you're going to do that to both sides. What you can do to get from a little bit of different angles and the attack of some different muscles is then turn your head and come down forward a little bit at an angle. Same thing on this side. And then just head flexion and then neck extension. Now some of these might be pretty painful, especially if it's fresh injury and you just got into the accident. So be careful. Make sure you seek a health care professional first if it's causing intense pain. But these are just a few tips that you guys can do at home, along with icing, eating an anti-inflammatory diet, because you're gonna have so much inflammation going on. We don't wanna have pouring gasoline on a fire with eating inflammatory food. So those are a few tips that you guys can do at home if you've recently gotten into a car accident. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you think anyone needs to see this video, please share. Otherwise, have a wonderful day, guys.